Romanian Duolingo tutorial. Hi, this is Mihnea. Welcome to Romanian Hub, the ultimate Romanian language learning portal. In the Romanian Duolingo tutorial series, I help language learners with their understanding of the Romanian language lessons on Duolingo. In this episode, we're going to do lesson 4 from basic 1. The target vocabulary is bărbatul, băiatul, copilul, mărul, mănâncă, suc, ceai, cafea, bea. Let's start. Hai să începem. Select the word for coffee. The first image we have cafea, second femeie, third băiat. Băiat means boy, femeie means woman, cafea means coffee. So coffee, cafea. Correct. Let's continue. Select the word for tea. In the first image we have cafea, second chai, third fată. Fată means girl, chai means tea, cafea means coffee. So tea, chai. Correct. Let's continue. Select the word for juice. In the first image we have chai, second suc, third femeie. Femeie means woman, suc means juice, chai means tea. Juice, suc. Let's see. Correct. Let's continue. Write this in English. Copilul, the child. Correct. Copilul, the child. Let's continue. Bărbatul, the man. Bărbatul, the man. Correct. Let's continue. Mărul, mărul, the apple. Mărul, the apple. Let's check. Correct. Let's continue. Băiatul, băiatul, the boy. Let's check. Correct. Băiatul. Continue. Ea bea lapte. Ea bea lapte. She is drinking milk. Ea bea lapte. Check. Correct. Let's continue. Ea mănâncă mărul. Ea mănâncă mărul. She is eating the apple. Ea mănâncă mărul. Let's check. Correct. Let's continue. Write juice in Romanian. Suc. Suc. Correct. Continue. Write coffee in Romanian. Cafea. Cafea. Let's check. Correct. Let's continue. Write tea in Romanian. Chai. Chai. Check. Okay. And that's another lesson completed. And that's the end of another episode in the Romanian Duolingo tutorial series. Now it's your turn. Make a sentence with one of the target words and post it in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe. In that way you won't miss the next episode. Ciao! This is Mihnea signing out from Bangkok.